The symmetry function allows you to make a mirror copy from any selected object of the drawing. It is very easy and straightforward to use. First, I need to select the symmetry tool, and now I have to select the objects that will be affected with the mirror copy. Once they are selected, I right-click for confirmation. Now I would have to define the line which Dibac will use as a mirror for my symmetry. The distance and the direction of the mirror line will affect the symmetry. I can click once to set the distance from the original selection. Now I would have to indicate the direction of the mirror line. To confirm the direction and display the mirror copy, click again with the mouse. To make another mirror copy of these two drawings, I can make a right-click to return to the previous function. Now I can select both objects and right-click to confirm the selection. Now I click to set the distance of the mirror line and indicate the direction of the symmetry.